Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today on YOUCANIC we have our 2014 Toyota Highlander, and we're going to reinstall the door panel. So to reinstall the door panel, we got to start with hooking up the electric connectors. There's one down at the bottom, a couple over here, and then we hook these back up. And these are for unlocking and opening the door from the inside. So we bring our door close. We've got one electric here on the bottom. All right, that light is re-hooked up. Now, we have these two to hook up, which go one to the seat. Remember the buttons you hit that remember your seat position for whoever's driving. And then we want to make sure we're going to run these that are going to go through this hole, and we've got to hook these back up. Green one on the bottom, white one on the top. Pull the electric through here for your door handle switch. And then with the door, you want to raise it up at an angle and get this trim to drop down on the back side of the metal, and then snapping all the clips back in. There's one there. There's one right in here. I don't know if we got that. And then we have our two screws to put through here and one in there. The two bigger screws go down here. The one up here, then put this cover back on just by pulling the handle open and just snap that into place. That's it. And then we've got our window switch that will snap the electric connectors back together, and then just drop it into place and press it down. So you install that part. And the last piece is this little piece of trim that goes right up here. Line up those little push pins and snap it into place. So that's how you reinstall your door panel on your 2014 Toyota Highlander. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.